Morning, all of you. Today we'll discuss about the topic codes. Basically, code is a symbolic representation of discrete information which may be present in the form of numbers, letters, or physical quantities. The symbols used for the binary digits 0 or 1, which are arranged according to the rules of codes. These codes are used to communicate information to a digital computer and to receive messages from it. When numbers, letters, or words are represented by a special group of symbols, this is called encoding, and the group of symbols is called code. नाउ बेसिकली हम लोग कोड डिस्कस करेंगे। कोड का यूज कंप्यूटर सिस्टम आर्किटेक्चर में बेसिकली डिजिटल सर्किट के लिए यूज होता है। वेरियस क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कोड्स आर वेटेड बाइनरी कोड, नॉन वेटेड बाइनरी कोड्स, एरर डिटेक्टिंग कोड्स, एरर करेक्टिंग कोड्स एंड अल्फा न्यूमेरिक कोड्स. Today we will discuss about weighted binary codes and some of the non-weighted binary codes. Now what is weighted binary codes? Weighted means some weight are there on the digit of the particular number and it obeys their positional weighting principles. Each position of a number represents a specific weight. In a weighted binary code, the bits are multiplied by the weights indicated. The sum of these bits gives the equivalent decimal digits. Now some of the example of weighted binary codes are 8421, 2421, 5421 and 5211. Now 8421 code is also known as BCD. BCD stands for binary coded decimal and it uses the binary number system to specify the decimal numbers 0 to 9. Now it has 4 bits. The weights are assigned according to the positions occupied by these digits. Now the weights of first rightmost position is 2 to the power 0, that is 1. Second 2 to the power 1, that is 2. Third 2 to the power 2, that is 4. And fourth 2 to the power 3, that is 8. Now reading from the left to right, the weights are 8421 and hence it is called 8421 code. Now this is the table of weighted 4-bit binary codes for decimal number 0 to 9. Now 8421, whenever we want to generate the code for any decimal number, then we just put the weight. Means if we have to generate 0, then 8421, basically we just put 0 weight for all the digits because there is no weight for any 8421 code. Now when we have to represent 1, then we put 1 in place of द बिट 8421 1 के प्लेस पर 1 प्लेस करेंगे, बाकी 842 के जगह 0 प्लेस करेंगे. यानी जिस डिजिट को बनाना है, जैसे 2 बनाना है, अगर हमको डेसिमल नंबर 2 को रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो वी जस्ट प्लेस 1 इन place of 2 and rest of the place is allocated by 0. Similarly for 3 we place 1 in place of 2 and 1 because 2 plus 1 is 3. For 4 we place 1 on the position 4, यानी after 8 there is 4, तो 4 के जगह 1 करेंगे, बाकी प्लेस पर rest of the 3 places is allocated by 0. Similarly up to 9 we do the same work. For 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, so in place of 8 we put 1 and in place of 1 we put 1, and rest of the 2 place, that is the place of 4 or 2, we place 0. Now we just take one example to convert any decimal number 784 into its BCD code. Now for conversion, first of all we have decimal number 784. So first we find out the BCD code for each and every digit of this decimal number. So BCD code for 7 is 0111, for 8 we have 1000, and for 4 we have 0100. Hence the BCD code for 784 decimal number is 011110000100. Now non-weighted codes are basically codes which that are not positionally weighted. This means that each position within a binary number is not assigned a fixed value. नॉन वेटेड कोड में हम लोग एग्जांपल देखेंगे XS3 कोड और ग्रे कोड का. Today we will discuss about the XS3 code. In the next video we will discuss about the gray code. Now XS3 code is what? As the name indicates, the XS3 represents a decimal number in binary form as a number greater than 3, and an XS3 code is obtained by adding 3 to a decimal number. Means XS3 कोड जनरेट करने के लिए जो भी हमारा डेसिमल नंबर दिया है उसके हर डिजिट में 3 ऐड करना होगा। 3 ऐड करने से जो नंबर हमको मिलेगा उस नंबर का जब हम BCD कोड कन्वर्जन करेंगे देन वी हैव अ XS3 कोड फॉर द पर्टिकुलर डेसिमल नंबर। यहाँ पर हम लोग एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं 643 डेसिमल को XS3 कोड में अगर बदलना हो तो 643 में वी जस्ट ऐड 3 टू ईच डिजिट, बाय आफ्टर एडिशन द न्यू वैल्यू इज 976। नाउ वी कन्वर्ट दिस 976 इंटू BCD कोड। तो कन्वर्जन करने के लिए हम BCD कोड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 9 का BCD 1001, 7 0111 और 6 के लिए 0110। Now finally we have a XS3 code for 643 decimal, that is 100101110110. Thank you. In next video we will discuss about the gray code and the rest of the topic.